In this video, the Bitcoin price is currently playing out this broadening rising wedge exactly as predicted. But right now the question is, guys, are we going to see a breakout from this broadening wedge? And are we going to see this bearish pattern play out? Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabbal cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily videos like this. So let's now dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So di ba sa ating previous analysis, may 3 things tayo monitor, and that is yung daily time frame na bearish divergence na tinitingnan natin, ayun no, where the price is increasing as well as the RSI is declining. At the same time, sa ating mga ibang indicators, meron din tayong mga bearish indicators such as itong MACD. Bearish yung ating MACD right now kasi we are also seeing that bearish divergence in the MACD, wherein the MACD is declining. As well as in the weekly, you can see that the stochastic RSI is making a bearish cross. And on top of that, diba sinabi ko rin sa previous video na what we are actually monitoring to is this broadening rising wedge in the 4-hour time frame. So, you know, that is very clear here. As you can see, Bitcoin has been playing this broadening wedge exactly for the past few days. And previously, Bitcoin was at around this area, in our previous video, it was around the 36.7. And diba, sinasabi ko rin sa inyo na since may bearish divergence tayo, we are expecting somewhat for this price action to go down. But at the same time, we have to watch out for this pattern if mag-play out tong pattern. So right now, ano ba yung next move ni Bitcoin price action? So looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, traditionally a rising broadening wedge is traditionally a bearish pattern to the downside kasi it usually creates a pump and dump movement within this pattern, and then usually it breaks out to the downside. And yung usual target ng mga rising broadening wedge is the bottom of the wedge, which is around the $33,300. So traditionally, yun yung target ng broadening wedge na yan. But since we are also seeing a much bigger bearish divergence in the daily time frame, so ayun, no, in the daily time frame we are seeing that much bigger divergence. I think we can expect now this can go down even lower than this target. So I think we can expect this to go down maybe around the $32,000. That could be potential target ng ating broadening rising wedge. Then if let's say this goes down even further, ang lowest na pwede natin makita right now is around the $30,800. So $30,800 is, or 30,500, around that area, 30,500 to 32,000 is the lowest possible area na pwede natin tingnan kasi previously that has been a support area dito kay Bitcoin. So, or rather previously that has been a resistance. So ayun, previously it acted as a resistance. Right now that is going to act as a support area if ever na we are going to break down dito kay Bitcoin. But yeah, right now, ang pinakang viable target na pwede natin tingnan is around the 33,300 kasi right now, that is the lowest point of this broadening rising wedge. And yeah, right now, mag-open tayo na short position once na mag-breakdown siya dito. But right now, naka-short position na ako actually kasi yun nga, meron tayong bearish divergence, and diba in the previous weeks, matagal ko na sinasabi sa inyo na I am actually bearish biased with the latest indicators kasi not only in the RSI but as well as in the MACD as well as in the stochastic RSI, bearish tayo in multiple indicators. So right now, ang pinakamagandang example dito ngayon is stochastic RSI kasi ayun, may bearish cross na tayo. And traditionally, whenever na we are seeing those bearish cross sa ating stochastic RSI, it usually leads into a breakdown kay Bitcoin. So as well as nung April, nagkaroon ng bearish cross, we saw Bitcoin go down. Bumaba si Bitcoin roughly that area, ilang percent siya? Well, we can see Bitcoin went down roughly negative 19% from that previous bearish cross. Same goes din dito nung huling bearish cross din sa ating stochastic RSI, that also went down. Let's see kung ilang percent binaba niya. That's around negative 18% then. So right now, I think we can expect this Bitcoin price action to go down, a pullback lang somewhat. And then yeah, from there on we can actually monitor on what can be the next move. But yeah, right now, a lot of indicators are saying that we are bearish bias and this can go back down to some certain areas. But anyway, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you want to open your next trade, just open this guys on BYBIT kasi kay BYBIT mas mura yung Bitcoin trading fees. And yeah, if wala pa account with BYBIT, you can actually use our sign up link na you can find in the description down below for up to $5,000 bonus if you're going to sign up and deposit using our sign up link. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video and bye-bye for now.